Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be preparing a beef stir fry with spaghetti. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. In my bowl I have some beef strips. I will list the amount in the description box, so I try to cut them as thin as I can, because if you don't cut them thin, then when you're trying to stir fry it, they will not cook evenly. So this is how they look. Mine is not perfect, guys, but just try to do them as thin as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just note that the thinner they are, the faster they will cook. So you can use more beef if you like. I'm not a person who loves a lot of meat, so here I'm just adding some seasoning. Afterwards I am going to mix to combine them together. So I'm using a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder and onion powder and black pepper. You can actually add whichever season you like. So after I am finished seasoning the meat, I am going to set it aside and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. If you like, guys, you could marinate your meat for a longer time, but since I'm stir frying it, it doesn't need a long marination. So you could actually just season the meat and add it into the pot just like that. So I am going to start preparing the spaghetti. So here I have some boiling water. To that I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and also I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. The oil is to prevent the spaghetti from sticking together. So after I add it into the pot, I am going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. In the pot I have some vegetable oil. You can use whichever oil you like. So first I like to spread the oil around in the pan. Afterwards I'm going to add the beef strips into the heated oil. I am doing this on a low to medium flame because I want the beef to be brown, but also I want it to be cooked. So if I do it on a high flame, then they will only get brown, but they will not be cooked. At times, use a wooden spoon or whichever spoon of your choice to toss it around in the pan, but ensure that each side get to brown properly. I am going to stir fry the beef for about 6 to 8 minutes. So it is almost done at this point. So I'm going to give it about 2 more minutes. Then I put out the flame. The beef is finished, so I am going to remove them from the pot and move on to the next step. I am going to be using yellow, red and green sweet peppers, diced onion, shredded carrot, tomato, minced garlic, minced ginger, spring onion, and also I'm going to be using scotch bonnet pepper to my taste. I am also going to be using cabbage. You can use whichever veggies of your choice. After I removed the beef, I am going to be using the same pot. It has all the flavors from the beef. So I added 1 tablespoon of salted butter. You can also use margarine. After it has been melted, I am going to add my garlic cloves. So while the butter is melting, spread it around in the pan. So the butter gives the stir fry a nice flavor, and also the oil, so that's why I use a combination of both. So I'm going to just stir fry the garlic for a few seconds. Afterwards, I'm going to add the ginger. After I am finished adding the ginger, I am going to add the onion. Then I'm going to stir fry it for about a minute. Afterwards, I am going to add the spring onion. I am doing this on a low flame. Now I am going to add the rest of the veggies. You can also use pimento seeds. I did not add any, but it can be used in this recipe. Stir fry them for about 2 minutes. Afterwards, I'm going to add the cabbage. So here I'm just adding black pepper, a little bit of salt, if you like, you can add some seasoning here. So I'm just adding half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So each ingredient I add into the pot, I stir it. After the veggies are partially cooked, you're going to add the beef. I am going to be using 2 tablespoons of beef gravy. If you don't have it, then you could use oyster sauce. So here I'm just adding it into the pot. I am adding a little red pepper powder. I want mine to be spicy. In my opinion, when it is spicy, it tastes better. But if you don't like the heat, just leave it out. Here I am adding some tomato ketchup. If you don't like tomato ketchup, you could leave it out. So guys, as we all know, tomato ketchup, it enhances the flavor of food. So this is the reason I am adding it to mine. Dark soya sauce. After you are finished adding the soya sauce, just stir fry it for an additional minute, and then you add the spaghetti. I am going to gradually add the spaghetti. So after you finish boiling your spaghetti, strain off the hot water and rinse with some cold water to stop the cooking process. So here I'm just tossing around the spaghetti into the pot to combine it with the beef and the veggies. So when I do it this way, when I add it in portions, it is easier to mix. But if you like to add all of it at once, then go ahead and do so. After I am finished adding the spaghetti, I am going to put out the flame. So guys, my beef stir fry is all done. If you like, you can eat yours hot or serve it the way you like it. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you do, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please do share this video with others, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.